This is how you make Mexican street corn chicken soup. Add a little olive oil, an onion chopped up, and some jalapeno to a stock pot here. Add a little bit of garlic, stir it around, let it sweat out, and add some oregano and chili powder. Stir it up, add about 4 chicken breasts to your pot and 4 cups of bone broth. Add pepper and salt, and we're gonna bring it to a boil and then turn down the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're making homemade tortilla strips. I add a little bit of ghee or butter or oil and cook a flour tortilla. You can also use corn. We're gonna chop up an avocado here and some cilantro. And we're even gonna cook some bacon and chop it up because this is gonna make a great topping. After we're simmering here and our chicken is cooked, we take it out. We add the sour cream, 1.5 cups, and some cilantro, 2 cups of frozen white corn. Mix that together. And then we're ready to add some cheese, some Monterey Jack cheese, about 1/2 cup there, and then a squeeze of 1/2 lime can go right into this pot. Mix that up. Let's bring back our chicken to the pot. Add that back after you chop or shred it up, mix it together, and you're ready to serve it up. So we're gonna put it in our bowl here, ladle a good amount in a bowl, and then we're gonna top it. So let's add some bacon, cilantro, the tortilla crispy chips we made, some avocado, about 1/4 of an avocado, and a squeeze of lime. You are absolutely gonna love this soup for fall, and add some cotija cheese because that makes it just pop. And serve it up. Everyone's going to love this soup.